Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 2 polynomial of grade 10. Okay, so before coming to polynomials, I want to ask you one thing. See, what is basically polynomial? So where this polynomial lie? Which branch of the mathematics deal with this polynomial? All the variables we take are polynomials, right? So there are many questions. So to answer all those questions, let's start from very scratch. Okay. So first of all, in mathematics, we have a lot many branches, right? Like you have studied arithmetics, where you have studied about numbers, right? You have studied statistics, where data handling, probability, right? You have studied about coordinate geometry, right? There you have studied this. Yes, this is the coordinate and those all things. There is one more branch called trigonometry. And see, whenever we study the unknown things, the branch is known as algebra, right? So the point or the topic which we are going to take today, which is polynomial, is one topic of algebra. And what is algebra? Algebra is basically study of unknowns. Okay. Now, in algebra, we have two types of number. One is constant, one is variable. Now, constant means whose values are always fixed, right? 2 will be 2, always, right? But there will be some numbers which are unknown. But there will be certain conditions. We have to read those conditions, and according to those conditions, we have to find the answer. Okay, so here there are numbers whose value vary according to condition, right? So condition to condition value varies. So those type of numbers are called variable and represented by alphabets. Let's take one example. X plus 1 equals to 2. What will be the value of x? Yes, absolutely correct. Value of x will be 1. If I ask you x minus 1 equals to 2, then x will be 3. Now you have seen in just few seconds the value of x where it changes, right? It means what? It means this value of x depend on the condition. That is what condition we are taking, and or this variable is kept in which condition, right? Okay, so these all the values which are varying known as variable and represented by alphabets. Okay, but you have seen in both the condition one was one only, that is constant. Okay, now when we take combination of this variable constant with fundamental operations of math, which is basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, when we take their combination, we call it arithmetical expression. Okay, sorry, we call it algebraic expression. What we call it? We call it algebraic expressions. Okay, so let's write few algebraic expressions, and then we will see then when can we say that yes, those algebraic expressions are polynomial. Okay, so are you all ready? Here you go. Yes. So let's write first few algebraic expressions. Okay. So here I'm writing first is 7 u raised to power 6 minus 3 by 2 u raised to power 4 plus 4 u square plus u minus 8. Okay. Second, I'm writing 1 upon x minus 1. Third, root of x plus 2. Fourth, root 3 into x plus 5. Fifth, x minus 2 by 11. And sixth, x plus 1 upon x square plus x upon 2x. Okay, so let's consider these 6 examples. So now we will see that which of the following algebraic expressions are polynomial. But here you can see these all 6 are algebraic expression. Why? Because here we can see constant, we can see variable, We can see fundamental operations, that's it. So these all are algebraic expressions. Now we need to see that which of the following are polynomials too. Okay. So for polynomials, we have certain conditions. Those conditions should be followed. Then only we can say that yes, that particular algebraic expression is a polynomial. Okay. So let's write that which all conditions are there. So an algebraic expression can be a polynomial when first variable should not be in the denominator. If it is in the denominator, we try to remove it from the denominator. Okay. So variable cannot be in denominator. If it is there, you just try to remove it. Okay. Denominator. Oh. Now, second thing, we will check the power or the value of the power of each and every variable. It means the power of all the variables should be whole number. Okay, I hope you all know whole numbers. It means the numbers which start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So these are the whole numbers. Okay, the power of variable. So basically two conditions you have seen. First, variable should not be in the denominator. If it is there, we will try to remove it from the denominator. And second thing, we will check the power of variable. Okay, if it is whole number for all the variables in that particular expression, then we will say yes, that algebraic expression is polynomial, otherwise it is not polynomial. Okay, so now let's check here. Here u raised to power 6. First of all, in first one, there is no variable in the denominator. Okay, so first condition is satisfied. Now second condition, we will check the power. So here u raised to power 6, 6 is whole number. U raised to power 4, 4 is whole number. U raised to power 2, 2 is whole number. Right? Now, u raised to power nothing. Nothing is what? 1. Clear? So here, it's 1. That is again whole number. And then 8. 8 means constant. Constant can be written as u raised to power 0. Why? Because 8 can be written as 8 into 1. And we know that if we have power of 0, then the value will convert into 1. So like that here I can write u raised to power 0. So here I can see each and every power of the variable. These are whole numbers, right? So this first algebraic expression is polynomial also, right? Okay. Now let's move to second question. First of all, this x is in the denominator. Can we take it in the numerator? No, we can't. So this is not polynomial. It is algebraic expression, but it is not polynomial. Now third one, root x. What do you mean by root? Root means power half. Okay, so root x can be written as x raised to power half. Now tell me, half is whole number? No, it's not whole number. If it is not whole number, it means this third one bit is not polynomial. Okay, now let's move to next one. Fourth one. Here root is with 3 only. We will not check constant numbers. It can be any. We will check the variable only. Now x raised to power 1. No power means 1. So power 1, and here we don't have any variable. It means whichever variable we have, that is in the numerator with power as whole number. So this one is polynomial. Clear? Now x minus 2 by 11. 2 by 11, it's totally constant. Leave it. You need to see only variable and its power. Variable is x, its power is nothing, is 1. So this is also linear equation. Okay, now here, first of all, we can see x is in the denominator. So we'll try to remove it from the denominator. Okay. So here we can separate numerator according to denominator. So it can be written as x square upon 2x plus x upon 2x. Right? Now here x to x cancel out and here x to x cancel out. So x square, 1x was cancelled out, so only x is left. So x by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now you can see here, all the variable is in numerator with power as whole number. So yes, here you have seen in the starting the variable was in the denominator, but yes, here we can take this variable in the numerator also after simplification. So yes, we have simplified and then we have checked. Okay, so here we can see that yes, this algebraic expression is polynomial, right? So now I hope you understood that what is algebraic expression, how can we say that particular algebraic expression is polynomial or not, right? In next video, we are going to study about linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. It means we are going to see different types of polynomials, right? So that's all for this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and do revise.